Our charge pipes, we're even doing carbon fiber.
Oh shit, this is
pipes, exhaust
badass,
manifolds. I mean, we're covering everything for this.
dude. This is badass, man. Shit, I'm more against it than for it. But whenever we have had to do intercooler pipe kits, we've had to weld a bung ourselves. But the fact that already comes that way.
And then the big thing on these too, if you ever run anyone else's kit, you'll see like your dipstick pins or your wires end up everywhere. But we make sure to retain all your stuff, from the sensors to the wires to the dipstick. I mean, it's all covered, you know?
Yeah.
Dipstick relocation has been a little issue.
Yeah, that's what I was telling them, that we've been having to weld our own bungs, but they already got it going, and so that's badass, dude.
And
this looks
slick. You got 304 stainless, so you don't have to worry about rust. When it comes brushed, it comes polished. You can even powder coat yourself or whatever.
What about in that forged carbon like that one over there?
Oh yeah.
An option?
Yeah. You got forged carbon on these too. No shit. Feel it, and you're like, oh, like it stops in your tracks, dude.
That's badass, dude.
Have it accessible for all your stuff. We're gonna make it with the filter and everything.
This is sweet, dude.